Dear students, already you have learnt two cases of goodwill, that is goodwill brought in the form of cash and withdrawn by the old partner, and one more case, goodwill brought in by the new partner and retained in the business. How you need to treat goodwill in partner's capital account and in the balance sheet, that you learnt. So now let us move on to the next case, that is goodwill was not brought in by the new partner. Instead of that, it is created or it is valued or it is raised in the business itself. This is case 3, and it is retained in the business. Only in this case, as I told you, only in this case goodwill will appear in the new balance sheet of the firm. In this case, you should not add goodwill amount to the cash, because new partner will not bring any amount of goodwill. So goodwill should not be added to cash or bank, whatever it is given in the problem. So let us solve one problem related to which one? Third case of goodwill treatment. Goodwill raised and retained. Retained, they will not say anything regarding the retained, means you need to understand that that was retained in the business. Just they will give you, if they will give you goodwill written off, means then you need to consider it as case 4. But for retained, usually they will not mention that it was retained in the business. Just they will give it was created or it was valued. Only that much, and they will give you the amount. At that time, what you need to do is, you need to consider this as case 3, and you need to consider that goodwill was retained in the business itself. So problem number 12, page number 41. Problem number 12, page number 41. This is related to goodwill case number 3. So I'll read the problem once and then we'll start doing the problem. The method is same for this problem also, only the changes will be there for goodwill. All other things will be same only. Okay, so I'll start reading the problem once. Sharath and Bharat are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. In the ratio of 2:1. Which one we need to underline? 2:1. That is their old ratio. Their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018 was as follows. So balance sheet, old balance sheet date they have given, that is 31st/3/2018. Let us start reading by assets. Cash in hand 10,000, debtors 5,000, stock 10,000, furniture 4,000, and building 40,000. Building 40,000. Let us come to the liability side. They have not given, on the asset side, they have not given any profit and loss account. So no distribution of profit and loss account in the partner's capital account, and they have given cash in hand. So here while writing new partner's capital, you need to consider which one? Cash only and not bank. So that is one main thing on the asset side, that is cash in hand they have given. Creditors, now let us come to the liability side. Creditors, bills payable, reserve fund, capital. So here creditors and bills payable will appear in the new balance sheet, and the remaining two, reserve fund and capitals, will appear in partners capital account. So for these two, mark as C, because this will come in capital account. Rest two will go to new balance sheet. Here also on the asset side, all will go to which one? New balance sheet only. So next, they admit Kamath into partnership, giving him 1/5 share in the future profit. Kamath is a new partner, so underline that. New partner name, it is Kamath, for 1/5 share. Let it be that 1/5 share. The new partner should bring 25,000 as capital. He should bring 25,000 as capital. Underline that, 25,000 as capital. Actually, in this problem, they have not given you goodwill along with this. When they will not give goodwill amount along with this, that is understood that it was created or valued. If he will bring goodwill, they will continue the sentence. He should bring 25,000 as his capital and 10,000 as his goodwill. But here they have not given like that. Next adjustment they gave, the goodwill account is to be raised at 24,000. This means that this is case 3. It was raised. That means new partner will not bring any amount of goodwill here. So it was raised in the business itself. So 24,000. After that, they have given these two will appear in which one? Partner's capital account, and it will not come in revaluation account. So for these two adjustment, write what? Write C there. What you need to write? C, because this will come in partners capital account. Next adjustment, value of building is to be appreciated by 7,000 and furniture is to be appreciated by 1,000. So both also appreciation. So both will appear in revaluation account. Next, stock is revalued at 10% less than the book value and there is an outstanding printing bill of rupees 400. Stock is valued 10% less. Less means what you need to consider? Less means nothing but depreciation. More means nothing but appreciation. They have given in a different way. Instead of giving depreciation, they have given here it was less than the book value. Less than the book value is considered as depreciation and it will appear on the debit side of revaluation account. Next, there is an outstanding printing bill for rupees 400. Outstanding printing bill for rupees 400. This is unrecorded liability. Okay, so prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and next thing you need to do the new balance sheet of the firm. Let us start doing the problem. Here last two adjustment only will appear in which one? Revaluation account. First two adjustment will come in partners capital account. Okay, so for revaluation account, debit side depreciation, credit side appreciation. Debit side unrecorded liability, credit side unrecorded asset. Remember that usually for all the problems they'll give only the adjustment related to this. One lucky thing in this problem is they have not given any adjustment regarding PDD and in the balance sheet also no PDD adjustment at all. So directly they have given, so in this problem no PDD headache. Just you need to do the remaining adjustment. Let us start doing the problem. So first thing what we need to open? Revaluation account. So revaluation account, credit side, which one will come? Appreciation will come. Debit side, depreciation will come. And here debit and credit. Unrecorded asset will come on which side? Credit side. Unrecorded liability will come on which side? Debit. Unrecorded liability will come on credit side. So particulars rupees. First two adjustment, not to worry regarding that. Why? Because this will come in partners capital. Rest two you need to consider. So rest two, in that value of building is to be appreciated by 7,000. So directly they have given their name. I told you when they will give you by, what you need to do is after the by what is the amount is given, you can take that amount directly in the concerned account. Now it will come in revaluation account. If increased, I told you for PDD also, PDD increased by direct amount, reduced by direct amount, but on the credit side. Depreciated by after the by, if they have given the amount, you need to take that amount directly in the revaluation account. Here they have given appreciated by 7,000. That to building was appreciated by they have given. So direct amount you need to take, and here appreciation will come on the credit side of revaluation account. So right here by appreciation on building. They have given by. When they will give you by, take that amount directly. That is 7,000. How much? 7,000. Next, furniture was appreciated by 1,000. Again they have given furniture was appreciated by. By means direct amount, appreciation credit side. So by appreciation on furniture, that is by they have given, and the amount was 1,000. So write that 1,000 there. Here in one adjustment they have given two things. So one related to building and one more related to furniture. Next, stock is valued at 10% less than the book value. Less than the book value. Less than is nothing but underline and make a note there. Less than is considered as depreciation. So check in the old balance sheet. What is the value of stock? Value of stock is 10,000. They have given how much? 10,000, and now they have told that 10% less. 10% less is nothing but depreciation. So depreciation will come which side? Debit side of revaluation account. So write here to depreciation on stock. To depreciation on stock. Stock, the value of stock in the old balance sheet, it was 10,000. For this how much? 10%, it will come 1,000. How much it will come? 1,000. In the same adjustment, they have given one more thing. That is which one? There is an outstanding printing bill for rupees 400. There is an outstanding printing bill for rupees how much? 400. Direct amount. When they will give you provision, outstanding, prepaid and all, need to take the direct amount. So here outstanding printing bill is nothing but what? It is nothing but unrecorded liability, and that liability you need to take it on the debit side of revaluation account. So write here to outstanding printing bill. To outstanding printing bill. How much amount they have given? It was 400. It was 400. Apart from this, what is over? Adjustment over. In one adjustment, first part they have given, first adjustment they have given two parts. One is related to appreciation on building, one more is related to appreciation on furniture. Second part they have given one depreciation on stock and one more unrecorded liability, that is outstanding printing bill. So as it is you need to take. So over. Next step what we need to do? Need to take the total. Which side it is more? Take that total and bring that to the lesser side. Here it is 7 plus 1, 8,000. Here it is only 1,400. Obviously which side it is more? Credit side it is more. Credit side more means it is, credit side more means nothing but profit. So write here 8,000 as total on the both sides. Here write to where you need to transfer this amount. You need to transfer this amount to old partners capital account. We need to transfer to old partners capital account. Who are the old partners? They have given the name there. Old partners name are Sharath and Bharat. Their name was Sharath and Bharat. Right here Sharath, then write Bharat. I told you to underline the ratio. First find out the difference amount. How much it will come? 6,600. How much it will come? 6,600. Now just check out the ratio. I told you to underline the ratio. What is the ratio? Old ratio, that is 2:1. Now write this amount for both the partners, 6,600 and 6,600, and ratio they have given 2:1, that is 2 for Sharath, 1 for Bharat. 2 plus 1 it is 3, and here also it is 3. Now consider how much it will come. How much it will come? You just, I will not write because if I go on doing the problem you will not practice at all. Take your calculator and do it. How much it will come for Sharath and how much it will come for Bharat. So do it in your book. This you need to copy in your notes after writing the notes. Anyhow I told I am doing all the problems, so one by one write it in your notes. The rest what and all I will not do here, that you need to copy in your, that you need to do it in your homework book. This you need to do it in your which one? Notes. Okay. So this is case 3. Remember, this is case 3 of goodwill. Okay. So this is related to revaluation account. There is no change at all in revaluation account. Goodwill treatment will affect only which one? This one, partners capital account, and then one more it will affect in the balance sheet. Okay. So understood till here? This is related to revaluation account. Anyhow we are practicing only 3 steps. After this no need to open goodwill account. directly you can go for which one? Partners capital account. Partners capital account. Let us open that partners capital account. Let us open now partners capital account. So right here the heading partners capital account, and then write the partners name. Who are the partners? Sharat, Bharat and Kamath. Sharat, Bharat and Kamath on both the sides, debit side and credit side. So always I told you we need to start partners capital account with which balance? Credit balance. Credit side you need to start. First thing what you need to write? You need to write it as by balance brought down. What you need to write? By balance brought down. No entry for which one? New partner. Only for the old partners you need to write. That too you need to write the balance brought down from where? From the liability side of the old balance sheet. They have given under the capitals Sharat and Bharat, that is 20 and 20,000. So write the same value here, 20,000 for Sharat and 20,000 for Bharat, and Kamath will not have any other entries. After that I told you to write which one? Revaluation account, so that you will not have any confusion at all. In the revaluation account, old partners capital account came on which side? Debit side of revaluation account. So when it came on the debit side, obviously it will come on which side? Credit side of partners capital account. What you will write? By revaluation account. By revaluation account, I have not written the I have not distributed that amount. I told you to do it in your book. So whatever it will come for Sharat and Bharat, that you need to write. You need to distribute that 6,600 in the ratio of 2:1. That is their old ratio. Distribute it and bring that amount and write it here. Okay, that is related to revaluation account. Next step, next entry is related to goodwill. Next entry is related to goodwill. This is case 3 here, no change at all. Goodwill you need to write down as it is. How much he will bring for goodwill? He will so he will not bring any amount of goodwill. Goodwill was raised in the business itself. So it was 424,000. How much? 24,000. The ratio here for the distribution of this first two cases, goodwill distribution ratio is sacrifice ratio, but for third and fourth case goodwill distribution ratio is old ratio itself. So old ratio here it is how much? 2 for one person and 24,000 into 1 for one more person, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 it will come 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. How much it will come? And that you need to write only for whom? Only for old partners, and don't consider for new partner. Next, after that, next thing, just check it in the old balance sheet. Profit and loss account was not there on both the sides, so no need to consider. But one more item was there, that is related to which one? Reserve fund. How much it was given? Reserve fund, they have given 9,000. Reserve fund was 9,000. Right here, by reserve fund. After writing the reserve fund, take that amount. How much that amount? It was 9,000, and distribute that 9,000. 9,000 into ratio 2 by 3. 9,000 into ratio 1 by 3. Okay. So now distribute among the partners in the old ratio. After distribution of goodwill, here they have not given whether the goodwill amount was withdrawn or not. So if they have given withdrawn only, then only you need to consider on which side? Debit side. Here they have not mentioned, means you need to consider that this was retained in the business itself. So no other adjustment related to partners capital was given in the problem. So last entry you need to write it on the credit side. That is what? By cash. You need to consider cash because in the problem they have given cash in hand. So by cash need to write entry for whom? Entry for only the new partner. How much capital he will bring? he will bring 25,000 as his capital. So write that 25,000 only for whom? Only for new partner. So I have not written anything here. That is your work. Reserve fund need to distribute. Goodwill you need to distribute. Then revaluation account you need to distribute in the revaluation account, and then you need to bring it here. Then after writing that, take the total. Obviously which side it will be more? It will be more on credit side only. So take the total, bring it to which side? Bring it to debit side, because no other entries will be here, and the difference amount need to consider as to balance carried down. What you need to consider? To balance carried down. Bracket for your reference I am writing to transfer to which one? New balance sheet. Which side? New balance sheet. Liability side. Difference amount considered as to balance brought down, carried down, and transferred to balance sheet. So this is related to what? Partners capital account. Very simple it is. Usually in all the problems I told you, balance brought down, revaluation account, and goodwill they'll give, reserve fund is option, and this cash they will give. So that side it is very option only. If they have withdrawn only it will come that side, or else no entry will come at all. So here end your which one? Partners capital account. Now let us move on to the next thing. Next thing, that is next step. No need to, actually when the goodwill was created, no, even in the cash account also very less adjustment. So at that time no need to open cash account at all. You can go directly for which one? Directly for balance sheet. Let us do the balance sheet now.